Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To install the recirculation kit components for this Frigidaire Range Vent Hood, you will need a 7.5-inch Phillips head screwdriver and a power drill with a 3/16-inch drill bit. Before you begin the procedure, be sure the hood power supply is shut off. If you haven't already installed the upper mounting bracket, align the provided template and mark the 2 screw hole locations for the bracket screws, as well as the 2 upper holes for the screws to secure the recirculation duct. Use the power drill with the 3/16-inch drill bit to drill the 4 holes. If installing the bracket and duct into drywall, insert the provided anchors into the holes. Position the upper mounting bracket and thread the 2 screws to secure. Next, using the 7.5-inch Phillips head screwdriver, thread the 2 screws to secure the recirculation duct to the bracket. Pre-cut the venting to the appropriate length. Align one end of the venting over the damper assembly outlet. You can use clamping or tape to secure it. Secure the opposite end to the recirculation duct. Now slide the upper chimney section into the lower chimney section. Align the bottom edge of the lower chimney in the groove between the canopy glass and blower housing cabinet. Have an assistant help you to hook the lower chimney slots on the lower mounting bracket tabs. Lift the upper chimney section up so it's flush with the ceiling. Thread the screws to secure the chimney to the upper mounting bracket. Pull the lever down to release the grease filter. Now maneuver one of the charcoal filters so you can position it over the left or right blower assembly cover. Align the slots on the filter with the pins on the cover and rotate the filter counterclockwise to lock it into place. Repeat to install the second charcoal filter on the opposite side of the blower assembly. Reinstall the grease filter by aligning the left side tabs with the slots in the hood. Then pull the lever to align the right side. Turn the power supply back on, and the range vent hood should be ready for use.